Hi, this is a quick, easy meal. Bacon stuffed inside of pancakes. I'm calling this bacon stuffed pancake sticks. I have syrup to dip on the side. Great for kids or anyone that loves pancakes and bacon. As you see up close, the bacon is stuffed inside. If you want to see how I made this, please keep watching. Hi everyone, let me show you the ingredients for easy bacon pancake sticks. These are pancakes stuffed with bacon. Now I'm going to microwave mine, so I have two paper plates, one lined with parchment paper. I'm using extra thick cut bacon. It has to be thick or it will crumble when you try to dip it. I'm using complete pancake mix. Use whatever kind you like or your homemade. Butter to cook the pancakes, and I'm using buttered syrup. Welcome to my channel. I'm Jennifer. I don't know how you found me, but I'm happy you're here. This is a delicious, quick, easy meal. Mostly kids would love it, but my husband loves breakfast. He only likes pancakes, French toast, or waffles. So I thought I'd make this for him for dinner. So like I said, I'm going to put my bacon in the microwave and I'm going to get everything set up. Let's get cooked. Okay, my eye is off. I've added about 2 cups of pancake mix. And like I said, I'm mixing this with water because it's the complete. If you like homemade pancake mix, go right ahead and do your own thing. And you want it to be pretty thick. So I just wanted to show you how I'm mixing this with the fork. And don't mind if you have a couple lumps. I'm microwaving my bacon right now. I'm just getting this all set up. Welcome to my channel. Those of you who've been here before, welcome back. You know I upload 2 videos a week. I always include an inspirational quote and tell a controversial joke. I think kids would really love this. And it's a quick way to have something fun and different for breakfast. And you can have this on the table in 15 minutes. So let me put you guys on pause, get this set up, and get my bacon together. Okay, my bacon is done. I've taken it out of the microwave. I have it on parchment paper on a paper plate. I'm going to go ahead and take these off. Blot these to get the excess oil off. Put my skillet on the eye with some butter. And this is very easy to make. Like I said, in 15 minutes you can have this ready. Now this is very hot, so I'm going to break these apart and get all the oil off of them. You don't want them greasy. And I'm doing 5. And what I've decided to do to make it easier to dip, I'm going to put my pancake mix into this metal pan here. That way the oblong bowl won't mess up the dipping process. Just waiting for this to get hot enough. And then I'm going to take each piece of bacon, and like I said, you want the batter thick. Dip it in here really well. Very heavily coated. Pancake mix. That in the skillet. It's 1. I'm going to do 2 at a time for simplicity's sake. And that's why you want the thick bacon, because it would crumble more than likely as you're dipping these. Just press those down. Let these cook for a couple seconds on each side. And when you see it bubbling on the top, you can pretty much know you're safe to turn. I'm going to turn this one over. I'm going to go ahead and turn this one over. Just don't burn yourself. There you go. Oh, I said I had 5. I only have 4. So here we go. I'm going to do the last 2 for you. Show you how to make this. You also have this for dinner. Your family likes breakfast for dinner like myself. It's what I always suggested with my mother when we were kids. It's just my sister and I, and she would give us the choice of what we wanted. My sister always wanted tuna noodle casserole. It's one dish I haven't made for you guys yet. My mother put potato chips on top. I might go ahead and make that for you one day. It's not one of my favorites. Let that cook. Adding a little extra butter. Press it down. And this one, I'm going to add a little bit more pancake batter to it and flip it back over. Because some of the bacon is showing. Press that down. Make sure the pancake batter is cooked. Moving it around in the butter. Perfect little pancake sticks. I want to show you guys how easy this is to make. Kids would really like it. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the camera on, set up for some pictures and tell you guys my joke. And if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. More importantly, share. That way I can get my reach out to more people who like quick, fast, and easy meals. I just wanted to show you guys I made some additional pancakes with the leftover batter. So I have 5 with the bacon inside them and 3 regular pancakes. And like I said, this comes together in 15 minutes. Just something quick and easy for quick, easy late night meal or quick breakfast, especially on the weekend. There you have it. Easy bacon pancake sticks stuffed with bacon. Got a side of syrup there on the side. I only made 4. And that's why it's imperative that your bacon is thick cut. That way it will hold up to the frying process. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please come back for the next one. You know, my channel is all about quick, easy, fast weeknight meals for people who don't want to cook, don't like to cook, don't know how to cook. And also I'll show you what else I made. Made another stack of pancakes with some extra bacon just to make sure I had enough food. So let me tell you guys my joke. A man and woman were having dinner in a fine restaurant. Their waitress taking another order a few table paces away and noticed the man slowly sliding down in his chair and under the table with the woman acting unconcerned. The waitress watched the man slide all the way down his chair and out of sight under the table. Still the woman dining across from him appeared calm and unruffled, apparently unaware that her companion had disappeared. After the waitress finished taking the order, she came over to the table and said to the woman, "Pardon me, ma'am, but I think your husband just slid under the table." The woman calmly looked up and replied firmly, "No, he didn't. He just walked through the door." Oh my God. See, that's what happens when you do stuff. But anyway, I want to thank you guys for watching. God bless. Please give this recipe a try. So if you have children or grandchildren, or if you have a husband like mine, stuffed pancakes, that way you can make them. I'm always looking for ways to twist for breakfast. But we had them for dinner tonight. So anyway, hope to see you on the next one. God bless.